Ever wondered about the importance of the amygdala, especially in cases of autism? Well, the amygdala, a small, almond-shaped part of our brain, plays a vital role in our survival. You can think of it as a priority circuit, or more accurately, our fear center. It's like the brain's fire alarm, screaming for attention when it perceives a threat, compelling us to stop everything and deal with the threat at hand. In the case of autism, the amygdala can be enlarged, sometimes to twice its normal size. This can be detected through a brain scan, providing a more scientific answer to autism assessments. An enlarged amygdala can amplify feelings of threat and scarcity, which can lead to uncooperative or selfish behaviors. So, the amygdala plays a significant role in our response to fear and threat, and this role is even more pronounced in the case of autism. Now, you might be wondering, why is the amygdala enlarged in people with autism? Well, it's not a simple black and white answer. It's a dance between genetics and environment. See, the environment acts on what we call the epigenome, which in turn selects genes that provide the blueprint for growth. While genetic defects could contribute to an enlarged amygdala, it's more likely that environmental factors play a significant role. Specifically, an environment filled with anxiety. Imagine, if you will, a pregnant woman constantly under stress. Her anxiety potentially triggers the enlargement of the amygdala in her unborn child. If the child continues to live in an anxious environment after birth, the amygdala keeps growing, often leading to an autism diagnosis. The fascinating part is, if the environment changes from anxious to calm, the amygdala can actually start to shrink, potentially to a normal size. It's intriguing to note that the environment, particularly one filled with anxiety, can significantly affect the size of the amygdala. But what if the environment changes? Can the amygdala size adjust accordingly? This is where the story takes a fascinating twist. Imagine flipping the switch from an anxious environment to one that's calm and nurturing. The enlarged amygdala, shaped by anxiety, begins to shrink. Yes, you heard it right. It can shrink, potentially all the way to normal size. This remarkable adaptability of our brain opens up a world of possibilities, and it gives us a glimpse into the potential reversibility of autism, a topic we will delve deeper into in our upcoming videos. To wrap up our discussion today, let's revisit our central idea. The amygdala, acting as our brain's priority circuit, is significantly affected by our environment, and this effect is particularly noticeable in autism, where an anxious environment can lead to an enlarged amygdala. But remember, change is possible. A calm, nurturing environment can indeed trigger a transformation, offering hope and a path towards healing.